Today, we're going to look closely at finished pieces and talk about what makes them feel alive. Up to now, we've been learning how to make forms, balls, shapes, joining pieces, but the part people respond to first is the personality. For me, the mouth has always been the most important part. A tiny change here changes the entire animal. Most of my animals grin or smile, but I have always felt that the mouth, the lips, are the most important part. People read expression instantly, even before they notice details. Shiny eyes feel alive. Softer eyes feel calm. And cartoon eyes, they feel playful. Evenness of the eyes matters. When the eyes relate to each other, the piece feels settled. These are small, but they give the face structure. You don't consciously notice them, you just feel them. A slight ridge changes whether it feels curious, relaxed, or alert. Light and shadow do a lot of the work. The pose often tells you about the animal before the face does. When the surface is smooth and quiet, your eye goes straight to the expression instead of the construction. Small color changes guide where people look first. The techniques matter, but personality is what people connect to. Learning to notice these differences changes how you approach every project. Inside my academy is where I teach placement and correction in much more detail. But here, I want you to start by simply seeing it. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to keep practicing without getting stuck.